welcome. If you're new here, my name is Joe Kemp and I live in Greene County, Indiana. So today's video, I actually already filmed, so I'm not gonna go into detail about what it's about, but I think you guys are gonna like it, so just come along and check it out. So I just boiled a cup of water and a cup of sugar, and then I added my washed and rinsed cranberries and let them sit for about 5 minutes or so. Here I just laid them out on this rack so the water could drip off of them, and they just kind of got sticky and dry there, and then I rolled them in sugar, which I'm going to show you in just a minute.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds.
Here I'm making a buttercream frosting for the cake that I'm doing, and I just got the recipe off Pinterest. I'm going to try to link those recipes in the description box. I'm not sure how to do that, but I'm going to try and figure it out for you guys. So if you want to try it, then you can get it there. So here I just made a Duncan Hines white cake mix, and I was gonna make a cake from scratch, but I ran out of time, so I just used this, and I was really surprised and impressed at how soft and fluffy it was. It was really delicious, and I would totally recommend it to anyone. And I don't have two round like 8 or 9-inch pans, so I just made the cake in this large jelly roll pan, and I took a bowl from my cupboard and just used that for measurements. And for the middle layer I did 2 half pieces because I didn't have enough for 3 whole ones, and I don't think you even notice it in a cake, and so that's what I did, and I would recommend that too, honestly. So I had some strawberry filling on hand, and I was going to use raspberry, but I didn't have any and I had strawberry. So that's what I did, and I just put some buttercream frosting or icing and then some of the strawberry filling in each layer, and then I also used the same strawberry filling for the little garnish I did on the edge of the outside of the cake on the bottom then. So I've never done frosted cranberries before, but I totally advise you to try them. They're really good as just like a snack, plain. And here I had kind of made them to put on top of the cake, but then we ate them plain as well. And so I'm putting them on a pan to put them out in the garage to cool off. They're not hot, but I just want them to dry and kind of put them out there for an hour or so. And then we put them on the cake and ate them plain. So you can definitely tell that this is one of the first cakes I've ever done, and I'm not very good at it at all, but I think in the future, hopefully I'll be able to get some cake decorating tools and stuff, and maybe I can do a little bit better of a job. So for this part, it asked for red gel food coloring, but I didn't have any on hand, so I just used the same strawberry filling, and I added a little bit of food coloring and a little bit of water because it was too thick. But I would definitely recommend getting the red gel food coloring if you can. So tonight I'm having a couple of my lady friends from church and a few other friends over, and we're gonna be making wreaths. And so we're just gonna kind of have snacky supper, and this is what I am making. It's very simple and doesn't take long, and it's just pretty and delicious. And so yeah, that is what I'm doing right now, and I will put a couple pictures of when it was finished. So I think I can honestly say that the evening was a success. We had a lot of fun. We made wreaths. There was about 9 of us, and we just had a really good time. Our husbands or families, someone took care of all the kids, and so we didn't have to worry about children getting into the greenery and all that while we were making them. And several friends brought some greenery. Several brought a few things to add to the snacks and drinks, and we just had a really enjoyable time. So I think that I would highly recommend you to have your friends over or get together with some of your friends and do something fun like this, and you will not regret it. I promise.
King of Israel.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see in future videos. Also, I had a few requests for house tours, and maybe a tablescape. So if that's something that you guys would like to see on my channel, just please let me know about that too. And I would love if you would subscribe. And if you subscribe, be sure and hit the notification bell and click all, because otherwise they will just send you specific videos instead of all of them. So that's just a tip for you in case you don't know that. Thank you so much for coming, and I will see you later. Bye.